Alright guys, welcome back to Codes and Coffee. Today we're going to be reviewing this rear car organizer you can use for your truck or SUV from Knodel. I'm going to take a look, see what it's all about. Alright. Almost looks like a briefcase. Pretty cool. Knodel. Knodel. So first off, these handles, they feel like very strong, sturdy aluminum. That's nice. So you can almost transfer it from truck to truck. Once you're done using it, you can compact it this small. Let's see how big it actually opens. So there's Velcro. Top here is a little snap. On the other side there's a snap. That must be the cover. So, from my understanding, all this Velcro in the back, right here, this is so it can go in the back of your seat, flush against it. So when you're driving, it won't be sliding all over the place in the back. And there's some in the bottom as well. So it'll be nice and secure in the back of your SUV or truck. If it's in your truck, you obviously need to have some kind of mat. So you got some pockets here. 1, 2, 4 pockets. You got some side pockets. Pretty deep. Pretty deep pockets. And you have an extra one on this side. Goes all the way down. No pockets on this side though. And obviously none in the back here. On the inside, I'd say that's about 1.5 feet width and probably 1 foot in depth. It's at least 1 foot. And then about 2 feet wide. And here you have the cover, which is it's real hard plastic. Just in case you leave it in your SUV, you don't have to worry about someone looking at your stuff. That's pretty cool. I dig it. So you could could put some tools in here, or if you're gonna go camping or barbecuing, or even you're gonna go hiking, biking, gonna go travel, whatever you think you can stuff in here. Organize it. And it has the Velcro all the way around. It's not coming undone. And then you can even take it with you if you're gonna go for a picnic. So I give it a 9 out of 10, because what I would have added was a handle right on top, either this way or that way. But I'm assuming right here, if you have these two handles up at the same time, just put a nice strap and you can create your own. But the fact that you have to go ahead and look for the extra supplies to make it your own, I give it a 9 out of 10. So yeah, now I'm gonna pop the top open again. We're gonna see how we can use this little divider. You have here some Velcro. It's 3-sided. They somewhat look like the same length, but the one down the middle is a little bit longer. So you have these useful Velcros on the sides. Put that down there. There's one here as well. And there's one right here as well. So it's pretty good if you want to divide your stuff. Gotta put that one a little tighter. It's pretty good if you want to divide your stuff. So now you have two miniature pockets, one slightly larger, medium, and then your big one. So that's cool. And if you don't want to use that at all, then you have your two main ones here. This piece unfortunately doesn't collapse at all. Or does it? Haha, wait a minute. But wait, there's more. It does. I had no idea that it did that. Now you got a suitcase there. So if you're traveling to, like, you know, Dubai or Costa Rica or Hawaii, or there you go. You can put your drones, which we'll be making some videos of our JPI's drones, and well, there you go. You know, maybe you want to put some beers in here. I don't know. You do your thing. You know, if you're an Xbox guy, put your Xbox, your game, monitor, and you're good to go. Or PS4. Don't want to leave those guys out. All right. So there you go. I hope I helped you out. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below, and I can make another video if you wanted me to show something that I missed, or another question you were curious. I got it from Amazon.com. If you're curious about the amount, go ahead and leave the comment, and I'll give you the answer. And then I have a couple of shout outs, YouTube partners I want you to go ahead and follow in the link down below. First one is Carl Zito. He does a bunch of Fortnite stuff. He just got a keyboard and mouse that he's trying out now. He's doing pretty good. I got Jaylene's Craft Corner, JCC. You can check her out. She does a lot of arts and crafts. I also have Jazzy Master. He does Fallout. Merc Hunter, he also does Fallout stuff and some Black Ops. And then I got Edmer's Top Shop, which he does a whole bunch of different things with watches, and he tinkers with toys. And well, until the next, remember to like, subscribe, not sponsored, and let me know if you have any other questions.